There are many advantages to using cameras in Soundvision. The user can quickly reference what the system will look like from any position in the venue, checking that sightlines are clear. The user can save these positions to set up presentations to clients or even create animated walkthroughs of the venue to help clients visualize the end result. To create a camera, open the Camera toolbox from the main application toolbar and click New Camera. Double-click on the newly created camera to give this a name. You can now freely navigate the 3D scene and at any time return to the saved view by selecting the camera in the Cameras list. The user can use precise coordinates to define views and can edit these coordinates like they would the position of a loudspeaker. For example, setting the x-coordinate to 0 and azimuth to 180 quickly achieves a symmetrical view looking at the stage. To quickly create cameras for visualization within the audience, users can drag and drop points from the 3D scene onto the position frame in the camera properties. Click once to select the point, and click a second time and drag. This guarantees the camera is on an audience surface. To quickly adjust this, click on the coordinate or orientation label to show the camera position window. The user can click and drag the yellow line to change the orientation, or click and drag on the yellow circle to modify the position. To use the 3D scene window to update the position of a camera, click on the padlock icon next to the camera to unlock it. Now, any movements made in the 3D scene window will be updated in the camera properties. Once the update has been made, click on the padlock again to lock the camera. Cameras have an additional property which defines the vertical angle of view. Modifying this value, the user can match the angle of view achieved by real camera lenses. This parameter can be useful for modeling smaller venues where normally it would be difficult to frame the scene without positioning the view outside of the venue and hiding geometry. Cameras can be placed within groups to help organize multiple cameras. Click on the New Group button and double-click on the group to rename it. Click and drag on a camera to move it into the group. If a group has more than 2 cameras in it, then the animation feature becomes available. Clicking on the group and pressing the play icon will transition through all cameras within the group at a defined speed. There is also an option to loop the animation indefinitely. Depending on the location of the cameras, it may be preferable to speed up the motion of the camera or slow this down. There is a speed parameter for this within the animation frame. Users can create complex animations by placing groups within groups. To quickly navigate between views with the camera toolbox closed, the user can click on the drop-down arrow next to the camera toolbox icon and select one of the created cameras. Or, with the 3D scene selected, the user can hold down Control on the keyboard and press either the right or left arrow keys to navigate in order through each camera in the list.